West LA computer expert versus big tech companies. Why small businesses win. When it comes to technology, big tech companies like Google, Apple, and Microsoft often dominate the market and are seen as the go-to solution for businesses. However, smaller, local computer experts in West LA can offer many benefits that big tech companies cannot. Here are a few reasons why small businesses win when it comes to computer expertise. 1. Personalized service. Big tech companies may have a wide range of products and services, but they often lack the personal touch that small businesses can provide. Local computer experts in West LA can offer personalized service tailored to the specific needs of your business. They can take the time to understand your business and its unique challenges and provide solutions that are customized to your specific needs. 2. Faster response time. When you have a technical issue, time is of the essence. With a big tech company, you may have to wait hours or even days for a response. However, small businesses can often provide same-day or even same-hour service. They prioritize their clients and are more readily available to assist with any technical issues that may arise. 3. Cost-effective solutions. Big tech companies often come with a hefty price tag. They may charge for services that you may not even need or use. Local computer experts in West LA, on the other hand, can offer cost-effective solutions that are tailored to your budget and needs. They can also provide recommendations for free or low-cost alternatives that can save your business money in the long run. 4. Expertise in a variety of areas. Big tech companies may offer a wide range of products and services, but they may not have expertise in all areas. Smaller businesses, on the other hand, often have a team of experts with a diverse range of skills and experience. This means they can offer a more comprehensive and tailored approach to your technology needs. 5. Support for local business. By choosing a local computer expert in West LA, you are not only supporting a small business but also your local community. Small businesses are the backbone of the economy, and by supporting them, you are helping to create jobs and boost the local economy. In conclusion, while big tech companies may seem like the obvious choice for computer expertise, local businesses have many advantages that cannot be overlooked. They offer personalized service, faster response times, cost-effective solutions, expertise in a variety of areas, and support for the local community. Consider reaching out to a local computer expert in West LA for your technology needs and see the difference for yourself.